How are you today? I hope you all are very good and fit and fine at your home. So dear all, before we start our day, you all know what we do? We do our morning prayer. So let's start morning prayer. How we start morning prayer, you all know. I hope we stand in proper position, attention position, and we join our hands and start the prayer. Father, we thank Thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, in work or play, to grow more loving every day, to go more loving every day. Dear all, this was our morning prayer. Now we will start morning play. For morning play, what we do, you all know. Again, we stand in attention position like this and start morning play. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you. Dear all, these were our morning prayer and national pledge. We all have to speak it again and again daily. So dear all, we all have to practice it too. Okay, so let's start our day, our studies today. Let's go. Hey dear all, are you seeing this? What is this? This is Z. What is this? This is Z. And what is this? This is Z for zip. This is Z for zip. Okay, and this is, can you see, zigzag, 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 zig. This is Z for zigzag, zigzag, zig. Okay, so this is Z. And today we are learning slanting line related letters. What are we doing? We are learning slanting line related letters. Okay, and this is 25th October 21, Monday. Okay, so let's start. What you have to do? You have to draw a slipping line and a slanting line and slipping line again. स्लैंटिंग लाइन की प्रैक्टिस मैंने आप लोगों को पहले करा दिया है. ओके, स्लैंटिंग लाइन की प्रैक्टिस, इसकी जो पैटर्न है स्लैंटिंग लाइन, इसकी प्रैक्टिस मैंने आप लोगों को पहले करा दिया है. स्लीपिंग लाइन भी हम लोग पहले सीख चुके हैं. यू ऑल नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ स्लीपिंग लाइन लाइक दिस एंड देन slanting line and then sleeping line. This is Z for zip, Z for zigzag, Z for zip and Z for zigzag. Like this, You all have to do this in your notebooks. Slanting line related letters. One first letter is Z. How will we? This is the easiest letter with slanting line. You have to draw a slipping line, then slanting line. 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is your 4-line book, a notebook, and you have to draw your line 8 red line and take it down, 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 down. Stop at the 3rd line and make a sleeping line again. Again we will do, make a sleeping line at the red line and then come down, down, down at till 3rd line and again sleeping line. This is Z. Z for zigzag, Z for zip, Z for zigzag, Z for zip, Z. Once again, slipping line, down, 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 slanting line, and again slipping line. Slipping line, 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 slanting line, again slipping line. Like this, you all have to practice again and again in your notebook, 4-line notebook. Till here, this was the example I gave you. Like this, you all have to draw Z in your notebook, and the related picture of Z is for zip, and Z is for zigzag. Okay, and this is the example. You all have to do this by your parents' help. Now come to the next letter. What you have to do? We are going to learn another slanting line related letter. This is A. What is this? This is A. A for apple. You all know. Okay. So, how will we write it? How will we make it? So, first of all, we have to make, you all have to put dots on your notebook, and after making dots, these dots will be helpful to draw the letter. Now what we have to do? We have to make a slanting line first, down, 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 down till 3rd line, and again down, 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 down till 3rd line, and make a slipping line at the middle line. Okay, like this. Again, dear all, make a slanting line, down, 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 stop, down, 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 stop, and make a slipping line at the middle row, down, 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 stop, and make a slipping line, down, 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 stop, down, 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 stop, make a slipping line. इसको हमको बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ तक ऐसे नहीं खींचना है, हमको थोड़ा नीचे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन तक ले जानी है इसको. स्लैंटिंग मतलब थोड़ा सा ऐसा, बहुत सारा ऐसा नहीं, थोड़ा सा ऐसा. ओके, again, try again, down, 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 stop, down, 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 stop, and make a slipping line, down, 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 stop, down, 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 stop, and make a slipping line, Again, down, 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 stop. Down, 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 stop. Make a slipping line. Down, 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 stop. Down, 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 stop. Make a slipping line. Again, do it. Down, 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 stop. Down, 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 stop. Make a slipping line. Give some gap so that this will look beautiful. Okay. Down, 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 stop. Down, 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 stop. And slipping line. Down, 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 stop. Down, 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 stop. Again. Down, 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 stop. And slipping line. Down, 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 stop. Slipping line. Down, down, down. You all will also do it slowly so that it will look beautiful. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं करना है. प्रॉपर स्लैंटिंग लाइन मतलब ये, स्लैंटिंग लाइन मतलब ये, स्लैंटिंग लाइन मतलब ये. अब एक और स्लैंटिंग लाइन मतलब ऐसा, एक और स्लैंटिंग लाइन मतलब ऐसा. अब इसमें मिडिल पे एक स्लिपिंग लाइन, यहाँ पे भी एक स्लिपिंग लाइन. सो दिस विल बिकम अ ए फॉर एप्पल. ओके. So like this we all have to do practice in your notebook, 4-line notebook, so that you will be prepared for writing slanting line, slanting line, slipping line. ऐसे बोल बोल के लिखना है. slanting line, slanting line, slipping line. Slanting line, slanting line, slipping line. Slanting line, slanting line, slipping line. Okay, dear all. Now come to the Z. Zig, zag, zig. Slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. ऐसे आपको भी बोलना है. रेड के ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन आएगी, फिर स्लैंटिंग लाइन थर्ड रो तक, और फिर स्लीपिंग लाइन. स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन. स्लीपिंग लाइन कर दिया, एक स्लैंटिंग लाइन कर दिया, फिर स्लीपिंग लाइन कर दिया. स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, 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 स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन. इस तरह से प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको. यू ऑल ऑल्सो हैव टू प्रैक्टिस लाइक दिस so that you will be prepared for your alphabet writing. Dear all, ऐसे प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा प्लीज़ घर पर. ओके. आई होप यू ऑल विल डू दिस प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दीज लेटर्स इन प्रॉपर वे. ओके. 4-line की कॉपी में, नोटबुक में प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा सो दैट आपकी प्रॉपर राइटिंग की प्रैक्टिस ब्यूटीफुली होगी. डियर ऑल, सो this is our slanting line related letters, slanting line related letters. We are learning Z and A today, letter Z and letter A today. So dear all, I hope you all will practice at your home like this. Okay dear all, have a nice day. Do practice please.